Hi, welcome to Wagger's channel once again, another video for you. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is frames and vents. I haven't got a vent on this particular window, but you know exactly what I mean. Pesky vents, runs, that sort of thing, because they get mucky right inside and they all run down and everyone complains. Okay, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you can, because I've got loads of good tips coming for you which will help you to earn more money. Okay, here we go. Typical brush, X-line brush, you know, I use this quite a lot. Alright, now, unless it's a first clean, we're not talking about that today, we're just talking about you've gone round. My frequency of cleaning my windows is every 4 weeks usually. I've got some 2 weeks, some 8, okay, but not many 8, which I like, because when you go around again, as long as you can keep your customers at 4 weeks, it's brilliant. The windows are still usually pretty clean when you go back, and so are the frames. Okay, so assuming your frames are pretty clean as well, what I tend to do, I use like the damp brush method. I've covered this before. Your brush, let's say you've been using it, it's still a little bit wet. This is where you need a tap or a good technique. I just use this technique. You'll hear it when I let go. That's the backpack coming on, and it immediately stops when I kink the hose. So what I do, I just go across the top frame without the water running, okay, and then I drop down, okay, let the water come on, and do the rest of the frame, okay. Different frames require different methods maybe, okay, different routine. I'll show you that again. All I do, top frame or the vents, let's assume you've scrubbed the hell out of it during the first clean or whatever. Okay, all you need to do is go up there, just give it that sweep across with the bristles without the water on, drop down, do the rest of the frame, okay, and hopefully that way, okay, you're not going to get those pesky runs, okay. Another point I was going to make is that you can spend too much time on the frames, okay. As long as your frequency is okay, that you're going around and they're not particularly dirty, water's on. A lot of people I've seen they're scrubbing the hell out of the frames all the time. Okay, there isn't really much need, because even if you get spots on them, of course you're not going to be able to see them. So even a flick across like this as you're cleaning the glass will save you a lot of time. If you get a bar in the middle like this, give that a little bit more of a rinse, okay, just to make sure. But as for the sides here, I just generally, as I'm cleaning the window, I'll flick across the sides, and that's all I'll do. I won't go scrubbing up and down the frame unless it's necessary, and that really does save time. And as I say, especially with the vents, dry brush, well, damp brush I should say, like it is now, you can shake some of the excess off if you want. Just go across the top, then before letting the water come on again. That might be a technique to learn. It depends on what sort of tap you've got. With me, I find it easier, really easy now, because I've been doing it just keeping the pipe. A lot of people find that absolutely terrible. That's because I have the pipe on the outside as well, that makes that possible. So there you go. Stuff that in my little tap. That's my tap. Okay, that stops the water. I've also got a tap on the backpack as well. Okay, but that's another story. So anyway, if you like that video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell please, okay, and we'll give you some more tips, more videos. So that's job done for me again.